Hello, it's Mike Less, and here is some corn harvest video from November of 2017. I am just northwest of Galesburg, Illinois, so kind of west central Illinois, and I am out here with a good Versatile customer, and he just purchased this new Versatile 310 from AC McCartney out of Watauga, Illinois. He also has a four-wheel drive Versatile 435 and a smaller 190. But anyways, out here in the cornfield, he is getting the 2017 harvest wrapped up, and he is pulling a 1050 Kinze grain cart with this new Versatile 310. Also in this video is a John Deere 9670 STS combine with an 8-row corn head. This video is going to be only drone shots, as I did take some on the ground footage and I have misplaced that SD card somewhere. I do have a few pictures from the ground, but as far as any ground video, that is gone. I looked all over for that card. I maybe erased it or just plain lost it, and I had to give up on that and finish this video. So anyways, got some good shots for you from the air, and I did include some pictures in this video. So the first part of this video happened in the evening, just before dark and into the dark, and then I was able to come back the next morning and needed to check a few things on the tractor anyways. While they were getting the combine and stuff ready, got that done, and then we got some little bit of video in the morning before they switched from corn back to soybeans to get their soybeans wrapped up. And since the drone does not record sound, I am either going to have to mix music in for these drone parts or see if I can find some 310 and 9670 combine noise from other videos to mix in with here. And of course we'll have to come back to this farm next year to make sure I get the ground and aerial footage both. This farm also has this New Holland Ford 8870 front wheel assist tractor. So you're looking at two tractors right there, two front wheel assist tractors between the 8870 and the 310 that were both built on the same assembly line in Manitoba, Canada. About 20 years apart from each other.